Hi, welcome to PDF Tips. Here's how to combine multiple file types into a single PDF. So for example here I've got 4 different files. I've got a Word document, an image, an Excel file and a PDF, and I want to combine them all into one single PDF. Now to do this you need Adobe Acrobat Pro. You can download the trial version, there's a link in the description of this video. Once that's installed, what you open Adobe Acrobat Pro, you go into Tools, and you type in Search Tools Combine, and you'll see this option here. Now click Combine Files into Single PDF, and then click Add Files. Then you browse to your folder. Now it won't actually show other file types other than PDF. So you can go on the drop down box here, or supported formats, or you can just type in star.star, which does the same thing. Now select all your files. So to select them all, what you do is you left mouse click on the top one, press shift key, and then left mouse click on the bottom one. And you'll see all the different names there that it's going to pull in. Click open. Now it gives you a preview of the order of the files that you're going to import into one single PDF. So say if you want your picture, the third file, you can do that, and you can move that say to the second file. So now I've got that order, and you can remove as well if you want to. Then you click combine. It will show a tick mark when each one is finished. So that's now finished. So now I've got a 20-page document, and it has those files all in one file. So you've got the image at the bottom, and that's how you combine multiple files into a single PDF. Is that easy? Download the trial and give it a try.